It looks like AVAX has completed its breakout and it is making its way up to its first target. So in today's video, we're going to go and check out exactly where we're expecting AVAX to be going in the immediate short to mid-term. But before we do get into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, please support me by smashing that like button and dropping a sub. Let's get into it. Right, now AVAX is one that I've been letting the members club know that we needed to be accumulating sub $20, and it looks like it's paying off right now, guys. In the members club, I do always let them know of my DCAs. I've been trying to DCA a few $100s into AVAX every couple of days or so, and we've been able to accumulate quite a big bag. So this is one that's been on the list that we need to be holding, guys. AVAX, in my opinion, is a must hold. When we go and check out AVAX on the charts, guys, it's given us an amazing opportunity, if I'm completely honest. A lot of people are only starting to catch on now, which is fine. If you haven't bought AVAX yet, it is not too late, in my opinion. We're going to go and check out what our short-term price target is going to be, and then we can see what we're expecting for in the true bull run, guys. But was this what has just happened? Did we have a fake out around the end of August and we're now in the middle of our true breakout? I do think that is the case. And if you zoom in, guys, you can see my little arrow here, which is a buy signal of when I did start to long AVAX at around $19 or so, maybe a little bit less than $19. And we're going to be longing this thing on the breakout and the retest and all the way up, guys. So if you do feel like you want to make the most out of the AVAX pump, then you can trade from 0x leverage on spot all the way up to 50x leverage. Come and trade with me. Link will be in the description. But this was something that myself and the members club actually did keep a close eye on, guys. It was the token unlock. Now, we had one of the biggest token unlocks of the year so far, and it is behind us now. We didn't know how it was going to react immediately. Was it going to be a big sell-off? There still could be a sell-off. Was it going to be a pump into pump city? It didn't really matter. Either way we go, we just DCA, and that way we're not really worried that we've gone all in and we haven't got any more money to be buying AVAX cheaper, if that was the case. But guess what? It wasn't the case, and it looks like the lows, if Bitcoin can hold the low at 49k, are probably in for AVAX at that $17. Now, like I said, it's not too late for all of you guys, and even if we do go lower, we have some retracements back to $20. It's going to be like a 10-15% dip from where we are now. It's okay, because we are at levels that you guys are going to be dreaming about in 6 to 8 months, guys. You have to think of the bigger picture, and you've got to prepare your future self up for success. Imagine if you got Solana at $20 to $50 like our first buy in the members club. You'd be with the rest of us now laughing, guys. It is giving you the same opportunity for AVAX. You can see here that we've got a 40% move to go to get to that 200D EMA, guys. It looks like we're starting to have a bullish cross here in the moving averages. The MACD has already flipped bullish. Once this volume indicator does start to pick up, this could be what sends us up to the next leg for AVAX. And you can see here that on this target, it's going to be around $30 or so. Yeah, $30.33 to that 200D EMA. And you can see here a lot of traders' buy signals are starting to flash. You can see mine was one that started to flash. Seeing other traders post their charts, but you want to be making sure that you're getting in at this point before we do start to see everyone say, right, AVAX is pumping, AVAX to the moon. Once we're at $35, once we're at $40, once we are tackling the yearly high, you have to be prepared ahead of the crowd, guys. Why is AVAX one that's like top of our list to be buying? It's because it is severely undervalued and it is a blue chip. It is a top 20 coin. I do believe in this bull run we could be pushing to a top 10 coin, even taking that 10th place of Tron. We'll see what Ada wants to do. But AVAX was a no-brainer. It's a $10 billion market cap. It's like the king of crypto gaming. You guys know the crypto gaming niche is going to be a big narrative. AVAX is one that the ecosystem keeps growing. It'd be a disservice if you're in crypto for so long to not have some exposure to AVAX. Now you come to the AVAX macro chart and you can see our original buys for AVAX all the way back in beginning of the year, I think it was, end of last year. We had an $8 buy, an $11 buy, and a $14 buy. You can kiss those bye, because we ain't getting them anymore, guys. So you have to look for the next best thing. And in my opinion, the next best thing is AVAX at around $20. We didn't have a breakout to the downside. It looks like we're having our breakup to the upside, and the immediate short-term target for AVAX will be $27, guys. That's going to be a previous level of resistance phase of the market, but then you can also see we are still under a macro level of resistance. So for us to get to this like $27 to $28, We could be expecting some resistance around that time, guys. So we can't be expecting us to go, you know, straight through it, straight all the way to $30 with no sort of bumps along the ride. But when we do zoom in on the 4-hour chart, you can see we've been having these falling wedges that have been breaking out absolutely perfectly. I mean, we traded one last night, which was from this area to here, and it actually did complete the breakout perfectly, $23.52. It now looks like it is pretty much mirroring it. So we can say in the very, very, very short term on the 4-hour chart, maybe within the next day or so, we could be tackling like $24 to $25. And also, guys, look at the Bitcoin dominance chart as well. When you do compare it to AVAX, AVAX is pretty much in the floor. It hasn't been at this low since the last time AVAX hit that $8 region, guys. So that's why I'm saying that AVAX now, we're not going to be getting those $8 to $14 buys that we did get at the beginning of the year / end of last year. But we can say, right, we're pretty much at a floor level right now, and the floor price, it is marked up by 100%, but it is still a $20 AVAX. And if we're aiming for the 1618 to maybe 2618, that could bring us to like a $60 to $100 AVAX very, very easily. And if we do break the all-time high, we could be going back to like a $2 AVAX, which is going to be shown by an increase in Bitcoin dominance as well, guys. So again, don't waste time. If you want to trade AVAX with me up to 50x leverage, and I'm going to leave the link for the Blowfin in the pinned comment. They're actually giving away prizes to all of you guys who do complete some trading volume tasks as well. You can actually get a $20 futures bonus when you do just trade $1,000 in volume. So if you was to put $100 on the 10x leverage, boom, you got your $20 pretty much instantly. You must use my code though, so that's going to be active, I believe, for the next week. Guys, make sure you are preparing yourselves ahead of these breakouts. And if you're just entering now, then this may be one of your last chances to be getting truly cheap, low $20 AVAX. So that's it. If you made it this far, please be sure to support me by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a sub if you're new to the family. And guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.